Cause I just checked my bank account and I'm good. I'm flexing, yeah. Cause my singles going off in my hood. I'm flexing, yeah. Everywhere I go, you know it's all love. I'm flexing.
Yo, what's good, Crazy Nation? It's your boy Espy, Rep the Crazy. You know what it is? I'm back again with another reaction. This is to GIVÅN Coachella Weekend 1. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's have some fun. Let's get it. My bad.
Yeah. Don't forget who put you in the lead. Take it all back. We're playing for keys. That's all the city sees.
What a voice.
When you tell your story, you be selling everything about me. Everything about me. You run my name through the mud. Wipe that dirt off your shoes. You run my name through the mud. And you'll be lying to yourself so much.
Wow.
Right now, girl, that trust is out the window. Forget it, baby, I'ma keep it simple. Emotional blackmail held you down, now I'm back. Don't you know how that feels? Your girl's giving it 2 6, but they started giving it. Thought that you're right for me, but who am I? Change your mind, it's a good part of me. It's a good part of me.
No backtrack.
Wipe that dirt off your shoes. Yeah. You run my name through the mud. And you'll be lying to yourself so much. It sounds true. Oh.
The confidence that he has. I love this song.
And to start with something new. Crying hardly does it anymore. Can't drink with the pain anymore. Oh, I'd rather be a fool than believe in someone. Someone who not even have, baby.
What a voice, man. His voice is so nice to listen to. His voice is so beautiful. I've been a big fan of this guy for such a long time. I'm actually upset that I don't react to him more. I need to get out of this mindset that about the views again. I need to stop thinking about that and actually just enjoy music like this, because I love music like this. Like, Oh, dude, he's listening to this guy's voice is so nice. He's so good, man. He's such a good artist. There's certain artists that just have a voice texture. It's what you said, Majo. You know that someone with a voice like this must make good music. And the thing for me was, I can't remember the first song I heard of his, but I remember the first time I heard it. And his voice hit me like a hook. His voice punched me right in the face. I was like, whoa, what type of voice is this? The voice, instantly. It was just instant. And like, I remember the first time I heard this song. Because I remember I'd rather be with you than... It's daunting. It's very strong. I think I ended up reacting to this song, right? Is that why I remember this song so vividly? Is this the song that I reacted to with you? I think it is. I'm pretty sure this was his like first comeback in like years. Remember? I'm pretty sure it was Ratherby that was one of the main singles. And we're like, oh, what the fuck? GIVÄON's back. We're like mad excited. We're like, yes, like finally. This is amazing. I love the album. I was meant to react to the album. I think... Oh, yes, that's right. I got sick when his album came out. I remember because I wanted to react to it. But I got so excited that I just listened to it. This dude's incredible. This dude is probably one of my top 2-3 vocalists in this generation. Like right now, like from what we're living right now, he's up there to me because no one sings like him. No one sings like this guy.
Now I'm in this room, wishing we'll settle down, yeah, come around. I've been dancing all the songs that you love all along.
Oh.
Lost in the dark.
See? I knew it was quick.
You slew the sun. Tears falling. When I see your face in my phone, I can't erase the memories, baby. Counting all the ways she ain't right with me. I'll take your mistakes over missing you always. Hey. In my other place, I'm here when I'm supposed to leave. Oh, rather be a fool than believe in someone. Rather be with than the other having someone who's not even high.
Beautiful.
God damn. There's a lot of motherfuckers out here.
Deserved.
Okay. Coachella?
He deserves this.
This is just I'm just taking it all in because this is my first time playing almost at night on the main stage, so.
Deserved.
And if you made it all the way here and you still don't know by now, my name is
shocked. He looks like a person that could do acting. He's got like the perfect, like, I could picture him being like a villain.
She just let me, but it sure no, it ain't safe round, but she still gonna. It ain't safe round here, but she doesn't run from right, love, gun, drugs, violence, love, gun, drugs, violence. Oh, won't let you go, won't let you go.
It is amazing his vocal control. Because obviously he has that gorgeous, deep vocal. But it's so nice to hear when he goes a bit higher. Like he lives in that deep vocal range, that low vocal range. But it's so nice when you hear him go a bit higher. Like when he decides to flex and like extend his vocals, it's so beautiful.
Your mama told you, but tell you the truth, she ain't lying to you. Baby, you said you ain't scared. Oh, girl, I love how you care. I put your love on the pedestal. Ever you want, I'ma get it for you. Hopping up, we can go. Show you city, made me Long Beach, baby. 21st. Told you about this side, yeah. It can get ugly. Yeah, I'm support from the east side. Ugly. Your mom told you about this side, say it can get ugly. I'm support from the east side. No, 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 no. Won't let you go, go, go. Won't
Like
let
that.
you go.
Wow, I'm forgetting that this is meant to be a reaction. God damn, this is good. I'm getting so lost into the music that I'm forgetting that this is meant to be a reaction. This is incredible. Oh, dude, I love music like this. I could listen to music like this forever. Seriously, he is incredible. I'm getting lost in his vocals, but the instrumental. The live band. That just made me do the stank face.
Man, I took that fur off.
Was it on my fault?
Oh my god.
Maybe one day I'll grow up. Not fix it with broke up. It's right in that bed. What's your eyes? But you already know what it is. What? I'm not looking for the later, but for now I'm happy. I'm done cause I always get it. Won't be here for, baby, you can hit me if you're. But now I gotta put myself. We can kiss, we can touch and do it all. But if you give me love, that's when you lost me. Yeah, yeah. We can kiss, we can touch, baby. But if you give me love, that's when you lost me. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. Night spent all alone. Won't be here for long.
Oh, wow.
Put your number in my phone, but don't save it. Nights
Is that
spent
the
all alone.
Oliver guy? Here? Next to Thing? Doesn't that look like that Oliver dude? You know the guy that made that song with KSI? The guy that has like that. It looks like him. By the way, so cool to see fuck, how do you say his name? I almost fucking called him Jelly Roll. Not Jelly Roll. Fucking Teddy Swims. It's cool to see Teddy Swims there. I love this. I have an appreciation for Coachella that I don't think other people have. And the reason why I have an appreciation for Coachella is I can picture people getting bored on the weekends and looking for music. And I feel like Coachella's like one of the better events because they stream everything. Same as like Lollapalooza. Because they stream it. It's such a good pedestal to find new artists. It's such a good thing to find artists that way. And I love it. I love it for that. It's such a good platform to just... It's a good platform to reach music lovers in a way. Because I bet people not doom scroll, but like, look, oh, like we did it. We did it on the live on when we were watching. Like, oh, okay, what's this set sound like? Oh, okay, what's this set? Because if you're a music lover, you're going to enjoy performances like this. Especially when it's as raw as someone like GIVÄON. Like, GIVÄON is one of the better artists. I feel like he's more known for Heartbreak Anniversary than anything else. And it's sad because he's got a fucking good catalog. Like, he's got a very good catalog. And it's just like, man, like, yeah, you know, it's a shame.
Won't be here for long. Put your number in my phone, but don't save it. Visit once or twice and then you made assumption. Thinking it was. Now you understand that it all meant nothing to me. Cause I'm not looking for the later, but for now I'm having done cause I always did. Won't be here for, baby, you can hit me if you are. But now I gotta put myself. We can kiss, we can touch, baby. But if you give me love, that's when you lost me. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I love when he does that.
It wasn't on my fault. Just thought I'd let you know something's gotten into me ever since you let me go. This is fun. I could do this shit all day.
That makes me happy. He could. He's that good of a singer.
Ever since you let me go. Thank you.
Nice. Beautiful. This is awesome. Such a good set. Okay, so this is where I pause it. For part one.
So Coachella, I was gonna get up here and talk about love, but fuck that. I'm cussing a lot. My mom is watching this. I should relax a little bit. But I'm gonna tell you what I hate about love instead of what I love about love. And the number one thing I hate about love is a passive, aggressive
This
person.
part. We watched this part, I remember.
And if you don't know what a passive aggressive person is,
I remember you talking about
it's pretty much someone that act as if something is wrong, but when you ask them what's wrong, they say nothing is wrong, and the whole shit is just wrong. It's really confusing. I was in a situation where I couldn't ask one time what was wrong. I had to ask at least 2 times.
Remember this? I remember this now. It's like I had to ask again and again.
So I packed my bags and I left. But like I always do, I came right back.
What were we waiting for?
But I came back hoping it would be a little bit better. You know what I mean? Just hoping. But it wasn't a little better at all. I couldn't ask 2 times anymore. I had to ask at least 3 times.
Oh, Temin, right? Was he at the same time as Temin? It was, right?
So I did what I do best, and I wrote a song about it.
That makes sense. I was like, what
And after I
are
wrote the song, that's when I realized we're all in the same boat. But not just you and I, Coachella. Not just us. Myself and the band.
This is the perfect part.
Ain't that right, fellas?
That's right. Yes, sir. Intro. For part 2. Because I remember he just talked.
I told her. Say what's on your mind.
Ooh, wow.
Lately, you and I, been needing some love. So quiet on the ride home. Can tell that's when you made your mind. Don't wanna make you fight it. No. Something different in the way you yell. Something missing lately, I can tell. You done listening to what I feel. No, not to mention I've been treating you well. Must got back up, man.
They raised his voice.
You gotta back up, man. You used to fight a little longer, baby. Now you choose silence over war. Making small things bigger than they have to be, baby. It never was this easy for you, was it, to get mad at me? Something different in the way you yell. Something missing lately, I can tell. You done listening to what I feel. No, not to mention I've been treating you well. Must got you gotta back up, man. Must gotta back up, plan, baby. You gotta back up.
And not only that, there's times where he sings lighter.
Used to fight a little longer, baby.
For the instrumental to read the journey.
Now you choosing silence over war.
This is sick. I love artists like this. I need to start appreciating them.
No, you gotta back
He gets it. He doesn't just make music for the sake of making music.
Now you're choosing silence over war.
The keys, the strings, the piano, oh,
It's getting hot, man.
everything.
I need to relax.
His harmonization.
I don't know if you could tell by now, but I'm a very emotional
Sorry,
guy.
he's harmonizing. Sorry.
I'm a Pisces. Anyone a Pisces? We don't get a good rap. So I need to take a breather just so I can make it through the rest of this set.
This
I'm gonna
is
try
cool.
something. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. This is just so I can breathe a little bit. Coachella, how you feeling? It's a lot. This is a really nice festival. And you guys could be at any stage right now, but you chose to be here, so thank you.
And you can tell it's genuine what he's saying.
I was in college and I was a part-time server, so I know these tickets are expensive as hell. They're not cheap. So I want to make sure I give you a really quality show that's worth your money, okay? And I know you didn't come here to hear me talk, but I just wanted to thank you. And we're going to play some more music for you guys, all right? Let's do it, fellas.
Yeah, he just needs that little breather to get his vocals back up. You know what? Scratch that. I'm gonna pause it before this. Before that part happens. And that's gonna be part 1. Because I feel like this is the perfect time to cut it off for 16 minutes. And then I'll keep on